Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another amazing video. If you are new here, welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Switch on your notification bell button so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So today we will be using my mom's old skirt and turning it into a beautiful dress. As you can see that I'm trying it on, I'm trying to fit it, and then to fit it so that you know how much you have to cut out. So now you're gonna lay it down, and then we're gonna cut out where you marked. You're gonna have to be careful when you're cutting out the remaining part, because we're gonna use that extra fabric for the top. So now you're gonna take the remaining fabric, and then you're gonna cut it out into a rectangular shape so that you can make your front of your top and the back. I wanted the front of my dress to have ruffles, so you're gonna do small pleats. So now the front part of your top of the dress is going to look something like this. And then to make your ruffles more refined, you have to iron them. So now you're gonna sew on the side of the bottom of your dress.
That's all I need. There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Now you're gonna sew together your lower dress part and the back of your dress. And then you sew the front again. So now the only thing you have to do is to add your zip, and you can add it on whichever side you prefer. It can be your side or the back.
There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I would stay.
So now it's time for us to see the final product of our dress, and here it is. You can wear this dress for your night out with the girls, or use it for like a picnic type of vibes. But yeah, you can see it's cute. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then, as I said before, my Instagram handle is on the description box, and please follow me.
Here forever.